In this guide, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to access Roblox on your Nintendo Switch or Switch 2. To begin, grab your Nintendo Switch and open System Settings. Scroll down and select Internet, then choose Internet Settings. From there, select the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to and choose Change Settings. Next, scroll down until you find DNS Settings. By default, this will be set to Automatic. Change it to Manual so you can enter a custom DNS address. Under Primary DNS, you'll see zeros. Replace those numbers with the specific DNS code required for this method. Make sure you enter it carefully. You don't need to modify the secondary DNS. Leave that as it is. Once done, select Save. After saving, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. The connection test will intentionally fail. This is expected. When it fails, the system should automatically redirect you to a browser page. From there, select Google and search for Roblox. Open the Roblox website and sign in with your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be able to access Roblox directly from the browser on your Switch. Keep in mind that since this is not an official app, some features may be limited. However, it still works well if you simply want to access Roblox quickly on your Nintendo Switch or Switch 2. That's the full process.